The idea of the crossbar has been around since Whelen's been around, essentially. 1968, at the very beginning, the crossbar was part of their lineup. It stayed part of their lineup, and honestly, you can still get a bare crossbar from them. It's been the building block of a lot of their systems, and some of the older ones are pretty darn collectible at this point. Whelen's actual first light bar was called an enclosed crossbar. The 6000 model light bar was called an enclosed crossbar, and they kept going, making open crossbars after enclosing the crossbar. You could put it on a crossbar if they made it, and there are still people doing that today. Throughout the 80s, it was a staple of their product line, and you could probably find just about any product on it. 1999 was when it kind of became a little bit more niche, but here you have a post-2000s department using them anyway. Gimmicky, maybe, but I decided I wanted to build a crossbar using what would have been available to me in 1993, which was when I first started sending away for light, siren, etc. catalogs. So I got out my 1993 Whelen catalog, and I picked out the pieces that were available at the time, and I set about building my 1993 correct crossbar system. You won't hear the siren in this video. You'll just have to believe me that I have one. And admittedly, not all of the pieces of this project are actually from 1993. The stickers are a little bit later on some of them, but they were all available in 1993. And that really is the theme of this crossbar. So you've got your two rotabeams and your two micromax strobes flashing in comet flash, with your metal speaker in the center, and being powered by a universal power supply 52, which you could see there for a second. And like I said, the hideaway siren can come later. I can do a better video at some point. But there you have it, my 1993 nostalgia compliant crossbar. Thanks for watching.